Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a beautiful 1991 GMC Sierra. This is an SLE, extremely clean example, very nice body panels. If you guys want to find out full details on this ride or any of the inventory we have, click on the link below. Every car we have has underside shots, a full gallery, and a full description, along with this narrated walk around and test drive. Let's do it. Let's start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this easily an 8 out of 10. For a truck of its age, it shows exceptionally well. All the body lines are even and straight throughout. So if you look at the driver's side right now, go to the angle. I want you to look down the side of it. Very clean. Front end is very nice. Minor imperfections just on the plastic trim pieces right here. All of your chrome is show quality, essentially. The bright work on the grille, this is plastic that's been chromed. Does have minor imperfections, so you have a small imperfection right here. All of your lights operate. You have that beautiful GMC emblem right there. As we walk down the driver's side, very clean. Trim is nice throughout. You have your 1500 insignia right here. You have a set of Cobra radial GTs with 95% tread. And I want you guys to come and look at the inner fender wells. So we have new brake lines, and it's been completely serviced for lift up. So this is a turnkey truck you guys can come in, fly in, and drive it home. Mirrors are very nice. These are the manual adjustment mirrors, so you adjust them from the outside. You do have power windows, power locks, and take a look at how clean the interior is. So red interior, steering wheel is very nice. Your headliner is very nice as well. All your lights are operating. You have your air conditioning controls right there on the right-hand side and an aftermarket stereo. You have the rear window back here that opens up, so if you want to drop the windows on both sides and open that up, it's a nice breeze of air throughout the cabin for nice days. Door closes nicely, it's not hanging up. Bed tops are very clean. You do have a rubber mat back here, and when you pull it up, shows very well. There's no dents or dings. Come to the back. Rear bumper is very nice. It's never had a hitch ball on it. Brand new spare tire, or original spare tire underneath it looks like. Underneath is very nice. We'll have underside shots there. Small imperfection right here on the tailgate from touching the rubber. You open it up, shows very well. As I said, underneath here, very, very clean. Taillights are in great shape as well. You do have the exhaust out the passenger side rear. Inside the fender wells right here, very clean. And I want you to see how nice all of these pinches are. Frame looks good. SLE badge that's not melted yet, so that's a common issue on this platform. This will melt down. You'll see a big trail of melted plastic. Roof line's very nice. I apologize for the rain. If you look up here, it's been raining on and off for the past week, so we need to get cars listed up, so you're gonna have to deal with a little bit of rain today. Passenger side's very clean. Door cards are in excellent condition. Glove box is nice with the owner's supplement and manual. You have the GMC manual right here. All of your options are visible right here. So we'll have that in the gallery so you can see that. A little bit dusty in there, I apologize. Let me pop the hood so I can show you the engine. One thing I did notice on both sides, I want you to come over here. The paint, there's a paint line right here where you have a little bit of imperfections. And we showcase this just to be honest. It's easier for us to showcase all imperfections so you guys know exactly what you're getting. You can look up our reviews. We've sold over 3,000 classic and niche market cars, sight unseen on the internet. So this video helps you guys make a really good decision on if you want to put this in your garage. Opening up the hood, that is a presentable engine bay right there. Hood pad is new, it looks very nice. The engine bay itself, very, very clean. All of your frame rails look nice and proper. You can see that the bushings look good as well, so you can look in here and see the bushings. All the wires look good. AC compressor. It's clean. Let me start it real quick, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Let's start it up. Starts up nicely. AC's on already. AC is blowing cool, or actually cold. You do have an aftermarket radio, which we'll test out when we're driving it. Your lights operate, so if you want to go up there, you can see them. The lights are working inside the gauges. 91,669 miles. Listen to it. Let's go for a test drive. Okay, we're gonna do a test drive right now. We are in neutral, putting it into gear. There's no banging into gear. Nice and smooth. Speedometer works as it should. You do have an aftermarket radio, which sounds great as well. You just have to find a station. Let's see. Yeah, so the radio works. You also have working windshield wipers and working sprayers. Very smooth, no bounciness in the suspension. Horn works. Your power windows operate as well. Once again, I apologize for the rain. We're going to do a short drive today just so we don't get it too dirty. We're going to put it back inside after this test drive and then allow you guys to look at this and make a decision on if you want to put this in your collection. Smooth over the bumps. Cruise control, let's see if it works. Cruise control operates as it should. I just turned it off. Keep the wipers on. Air condition is very cold, and the heat also works as well. I bought this at an auction from a close friend out of Alabama. He specializes in these types of trucks, and when I spoke with him, he told me the whole history of it. It was a 2-owner truck, and they did the reconditioning already. So essentially when we buy cars or trucks like this, we send them to service to get worked on. He did the brakes along with a host of other items to get it ready for the sale, and I really fell in love with it. I love the color combination. The headliner is nice, and everything's operating as it should. I mean, when you jump in these trucks, I would say that the majority of them don't have features that work. All the features in this one are operating. Your air conditioning's working, your cruise control is working, your lights are operating as they should. You can see that they get dim when you turn them on, and then when you floor it, it works as it should with no banging. Also, we are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport, so if you want to fly in to take a look at it, you can. It's only an 11-minute Uber ride if you want to fly in to actually drive this back home. Let's test out the acceleration once we get right here and straightened out. You think it's going to spin, Felix?
Oh, yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Short bed power, baby. Not bad. Let's see. Second gear, nice and firm. And that's to 55 miles per hour with no issues. We're pushing the brakes right now. Feels good. Let's see if it's both wheels. Nope, just one wheel. It's okay. You know what this truck needs? Is a big old 502 in it. So it looks like it's still original, but it's not.
That would be a nasty stuff.
Oh yeah. The suspension feels great. If you guys have any questions about this ride, give us a call, 954-363-2261. We're gonna get you guys some beautiful artistic shots. Once again, if you have any questions, just give us a call or an email. We also can assist with shipping, so if you're out of state and you don't want to drive it, which I think you should, we can ship it to you. So Texas is usually around $1,400 to get it there. California is normally around $1,900. And then if you're in different areas, we can get you an exact quote. So you can email us or go to our website and click on the transport tab. Right now I'm going to drop off Felix so we could do our sell me this car in 10 seconds. This is a bit where we actually don't know what we're going to say. So he's outside of the truck talking about I don't know what, and then he's going to ask me to sell him this truck in 10 seconds. So I have to figure out what I'm going to say while I'm driving it right now. And usually it's pretty funny. So if you guys follow our Instagram, which is Bullet Motorsports, you'll see that there. I think it's on our TikTok as well.
Man, I got stuck in the rain. Guess I'm gonna have to swim home. Oh, wow. Nice car, bro.
Hey, what's going on? job, man.
Nice truck, bro.
Thanks.
Can you use some of this truck in 10 seconds?
Oh, I sure can.
Okay.
And our YouTube shorts. So you'll see that. We have a lot of fun here, and if you enjoy the content, please be sure to click like and subscribe. Get out of the truck.